Welcome back to our channel. Today we will be teaching how to make this square flicker. Let's see it in action. If you get 5, you can put it on your hand like this, and you can also fire them differently. Wanna build it? Ready, set, let's go.
For this model, you need 1 6-inch square of kami. Start white side up and fold in half. Like this. Crease very well. And now you're just going to fold it in half like this. Increase. And now you're just going to go right here, and then you're just going to pull it all the way back to that center line right there. So it's like this, and then you're going to take this and you're just going to fold it in alignment with that, and you're just going to pull it this way, and now you'll have a rocket shape. Now you're going to pull this all the way back to right here. And you're going to flip it over and fold these down here. And then you're going to turn it this way. And you're going to fold it like this and pinch it up like this. And now you're just going to have it curved. Open this front pocket up right here. You're going to stick it in there. You have to get it in there. Nice and easy. Like this. If it doesn't fit, you could just like fold it like this, a little bit in, like that. Fold this a little bit in. You can do this if it gets a little too big, and stick it in, and then you're going to put it in right here, like this, and fold it in crease. And now, this here will be the place where you're going to stick your finger in right here. And now you're just going to flip it over so you have this triangle right here, and you're going to fold this down so it looks like an envelope. And you're just going to stick it in there, that pocket. Same thing with the other side. Fold it till it's like this and it's fully aligned. So it's like this. And now you're just going to take this, push it open, and stick this in here. And you're going to fold it like this, fold it over this way, open this up and stick it in right here. Do the same thing with the other one. You're going to open this up here, put it to here, and then you're going to fold it right here, pinch, increase, till you got it right here. Open this pocket up. Open this pocket up right here and stick it in. And now you've got this. And now you're just going to fold this to that center right here. And you're going to fold it here. You're going to open this pocket up and you're going to just stick it in right there. And fold and crease. And then you're going to do the same thing with the other one. Fold this right here. And fold it right here. And fold this in right there. And crease. Like this. And then you can stick your finger in this pocket like this. And you're done.
Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your notifications to never miss one of our latest videos, and we'll see y'all next time.